How to find next week's events on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find next week's events on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it, just go down again, and here you will find events. This one, click on it, and after you click on it, just go down. Here you will find next week. Click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.